little experience. But I do play a captain on YouTube.
Bump it up. Up, up. Stop, 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 stop.
In order to have days like this, you're going to have days like this. This is Tips on Tuesday. We're going to talk about what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. Stay tuned so you don't feel like doing this. If you like these videos, please subscribe and give us a like. And if you have anything to add to the conversation or any questions, please leave them below.
Marina Castella, this is Sailing Vessel Aquarius. Alright, bow thruster going down. That's bow thruster. Alright, let's see what we can do. Alright, the wind's fairly light, so we're gonna focus on the port side because that's where the wind's gonna be coming from.
That's perfect. I'm not saying you should go faster or slower. I'm just saying. Okay, the sailboat is moving out. It's coming out our way, and it's 12 o'clock. That's it. Here. This is it. The dinghy is out of your way.
Alright, bow thruster coming up. We have no more bow thruster. Bow thruster came up. We're searching for a washing machine. Every store we go to, they send us to another store.
It's a very interesting experience. We go into a store, really not that many people, but they don't really want to look up something or see how long it would take to get it, or if it's somewhere in the store, nothing. They just want to send us to another store. So now we've already been to 3. We're going to the 4th store. So he saw that we bought a washing machine, but he wouldn't let us to take a cart outside.
It's crazy that they're only open till 4 p.m.
As I said before, it doesn't look like anybody's struggling for business. Lots of olives.
Open the little thing. It's time for it to go. So, shut off the water here. So both are shut off now. So we don't have the dishwasher on either. Alright, let's... Okay, that one's done. And this one is done. And just unplug. Okay, this is where the hard part starts.
So what are you gonna do? Explain.
We're going to use this halyard right here. We're going to take it down there and we're just going to lift that thing right out of there, guide it out. And we'll set that thing right. Well, I'm just going to have to set it here. And then we'll take the other halyard around and lift it up. So we're going to use both halyards. Okay, now I'm going to need your help. You have to be really good. So, I'm going to need you to start taking in that halyard. Start winding it in. Pull it tight first. Alright, hold it. Make sure everything's okay up here. Because there's going to be a lot of pressure on that.
Ready?
Yep, just a little bit at a time.
Okay, I'm gonna go sit down here.
Stop. Up again. Stop. Up again. Stop. All right. Just bump it. Bump it. Bump it. Bump it. Bump it. Hold it. Hold it. Bump it. Bump it. Bump it. All right, hold it. I start releasing. Don't release very fast. Just slowly.
You are right on the camera. Is that correct knot?
I hope so. It's only one of the 4.5 that I know. Oh yeah, bring that over here.
stop?
All right, good.
Okay. Bump it up. Up. Stop. Okay, take it up. Pick it up. All right, leave it right there. Let's see if we can get it over there. Take it, bump it up. Take it down. All right, perfect right there.
All right, bump it up. One more time. All right, that's it.
Maybe now it's a good time to put the missing feet. The one that fell off.
Yeah, can you do that?
It's like a screw. Was it glued? Maybe it was glued.
Yeah, there is glue on it. But, can you give me a screwdriver? I think I might be able to get it on.
Flat?
Yeah,
How about if I would give you the hammer?
good.
Open up a little bit. All right, hold it.
All right, start to release. All right, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Bump it up. Bump it up. Bump it up. Bump it up. All right. Bump it up.
Release?
Release slowly, very slowly. Hold it.
All right, stop for a second. I gotta get down there.
Okay, let it down slowly. Come on, let it down. Let it down, let it down. Let it down, let it down. Hold it, hold it. All right, let it down a little bit. Down, down. Let it go, all right, it's done.
So what do you think? 80% done?
Oh, that's 90% done. We just have to get this thing all untied now.
But I never had the chance to clean up. Maybe now I can clean up?
Well, you can clean up after we get done getting rid of all this styrofoam, because that's gonna be half the mess.
I love watching admirals work.
I know you do. Talking about electronics, that little cordless vacuum cleaner, very good add-on too. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
We hope we got it hooked up right. Yeah, I think we will as soon as we get these in. Okay.
Lovlinga, huh? It beeped. "30 minutes, 1,430 temperature." Okay, let's go.
Oh shit, I've tried to turn on the water. Okay.
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
They said they came from Spanish.